Okay, here we are with Jungle Boys. We're at the Mala Noche waterfall, hanging out, having fun. We're gonna look for some snakes on the way home and see what we can't find. You guys got anything to say about this place?
No, I don't.
No? Damien?
Yeah. This waterfall is so big. There's a lot of places that
Alright. Good stuff, guys. Hunter, you got anything?
No.
No? Alright. Well, here we are. Stay tuned. We're going to see if we can't find something on the way back out. Here we are, Mala Noche waterfall. Alright, look at these guys. What are we looking for, guys?
Snakes and stuff.
Yeah?
Probably shrimps.
Anything there?
Oh, wait, yeah. Nope. No, I wasn't.
Alright. Well, here we are. We're working the trail up past the waterfall out here in the Costa Rican jungle. Pretty beautiful out here. You gotta love it. Alright guys, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving, okay? Here we go. That's a big one, guys.
Yeah. Let's do it.
You guys get it?
Can you hold this on the line in your backpack?
Just set it down for me.
Smoky tree frog and what we found, and it was pretty small and pretty big, you mean. It's peeing on you. It does pee on you. It's cool.
Yeah?
God, no. I can hold it.
You guys talk about it, then we'll let it go too, okay guys?
This is a smoky, slippery tree frog, and we found it under a big giant rock right there. And it's pretty cool one. Look at the color on underneath.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Alright you guys, let's let it go right where we found it, okay? Alright, let's let it go right where we found it. Want to set it down right next to it so we can see it and maybe it'll go in there?
Mommy, check this out. Want to come check it out in the sun? Yeah. Hey Grandpa, look.
Oh, I love frogs. They're like my favorite.
Alright.
Grandpa.
Here's Mama of the jungle.
Grandpa, look.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
And our little tour guides.
It's beautiful. Okay, so he's black, mostly black, right? Okay, so he's like a
Here we go, we're going to release it. Smoky tree frog.
smoky tree frog.
Alright Hunter, go ahead and do it. Right back where we found him, underneath the log where it was at. There it goes.
Under that log.
Bye, Mr. Frog.
Alright.
Good, really fast.
Good job, guys.
Wow.
Okay, I hope you like our videos out here in the Mala Noche River. Subscribe, like, follow. Jungle Boys out here. We're out here on our way back out from the waterfall. Doing our last little stunt back up to the car. You guys got anything you guys want to say about today's trip?
No.
No? It was fun though. That waterfall was good, huh? What do you got, Hunter?
We saw a couple little frogs, but we just found one die, and we found one.
We didn't look very hard though. You guys were running pretty fast along that trail. So maybe next time, guys. Okay, everybody.
We found 2 frogs, but one of them was dead in the water, and one of them was a tree frog, and it was alive.
That's awesome.
Both of them was a tree frog?
Probably. Alright everybody, here we go. Those are the Jungle Boys. Hope you like what you see, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and watch all of our videos. There goes Damien catching up with the crew. Ciao.